Hello, everybody. My name is Lacies Miguel Rodriguez Avila. Today I will present. Hello, everybody. My name is Lacies Miguel Rodriguez Avila. I study education manager at UNAT University. Today I will present my plan for change in a public school in Colombia. The school has tablet projects and internet, but many teachers do not use technology in the classes. They feel afraid or not ready to use it. The problem is teacher resistance and low motivation. First, I use Lewin model and freeze, change, and refreeze. We show data, give training, and make technology part of the school culture. They use coaster model with 8 speed. Uh, we create urgency, build a teacher, a vision, and celebrate small wins. Finally, I apply the ADCAR model to focus on teacher. We build awareness, desire, knowledge, ability, and reformance. We organize digital workshops and mentoring sessions. Teacher learn simple tools like Canva, Kahoot, and YouTube. We give recognition and feedback every month. We speed 90% of teacher to complete training. 17% of classes will use technology, and a student will improvise 10% in their grade. This project show that change is not only about technology. It is about people, teamwork, and leadership. Change is possible when teachers feel supported and valued. Thank you very much.